Welcome to Read With Me. This is a winter monthly series that I'm doing where I talk about some of my favorite books. This is December, so I'm going to be talking about holiday fiction today. Just a couple of books that I would like to recommend to anyone who likes to not only watch Christmas movies but read Christmas books. The first one I would like to talk about is by Sarah Morgan. This is called The Christmas Sisters. I loved this book. I really love books about family, especially when they have a lot of problems and issues to work out. Basically, this is a book about three sisters who are very different, and they are all coming home for Christmas this year. Some of them haven't been home in a couple of years due to some past traumas and things that have happened in the family. And finally, this year, they are getting all together and they have some things to work out, different relationship issues, family issues, and there's a couple of love stories intertwined in here, which I think is fun. I would highly recommend this by Sarah Morgan, The Christmas Sisters. This was one of my favorites, definitely, for this holiday season. Another book that I really loved for this holiday season was by Ellen Hilderbrand, and this is called Winter Street. This is the first of a 4-part series following the Quinn family. So Kelly Quinn is the owner of an inn, and he and his wife have kind of a mixed family, some kids, some his, yours, and ours. A lot of kids, also a lot of different family issues going on. Some people that are less excited to be home for Christmas. I will say this series starts out very interesting with Mr. Kelly Quinn finding his wife kissing the Santa Claus that they have hired for the season to work at their inn. So dramatics definitely follow. And like I said, there are 3 others in this series, all having to do with the same family, the same inn, and coming home at Christmas time. So if you love a series, this is really great. Great cast of characters, a lot of quirky people, a lot of fun, heartwarming, but also a lot of funny moments in this series. I would definitely recommend this as well. A couple of things that I would like to recommend that are not necessarily holiday novels, but I think I'd like to remind everyone that here at the library we have so many different types of holiday books, and if you are into maybe learning how to do some new decor or crafts for this year, you could come in, check out. We've got a whole wall of holiday stuff up right now. It's fantastic, from Christmas novels to crafting, cooking, how to bake 7 million different types of cookies. We've got this one in this year, and then this one I think is also really great. This is this year's Southern Living Christmas book. They come out with one every year. This always has a lot of beautiful table decor ideas, cooking ideas, entertainment ideas. I know entertaining is going to look a little different this year, but still, I think it's important that we are festive and bring a little joy to ourselves in whatever kind of holiday way that looks to you. So those are my recommendations for this month. I will see you back in January, and I hope to see you in the library picking up some of these great books, or maybe using our online services to download some of these books and you can read them from home. Thank you so much. Happy holidays, guys.